The video is like a symphony of modern technology and the power of nature. The Claas combine harvester, with its powerful design and vibrant colors, is like a valiant warrior conquering the lush cornfield. The modern touchscreen is like a keen eye, commanding every harvesting operation with precision. Can you imagine the feeling of sitting in the cabin, controlling a giant machine, harvesting bountiful crops? The lush green cornfield bends with the rhythm of the harvest, like a thank you to the hardworking farmer. This video will surely inspire and pique the curiosity of anyone who loves agriculture and modern technology.